Hi, in this video I'm going to build an easy DIY crane jib. There will be two parts to this build. The first part will be the jib part and the second part will be the pan and tilt head for it. These are the materials I'm going to use for the first part. I will start off by drilling all the holes in the angle parts for the base as well as the front head. The four 200mm and two of the 18mm angle pieces are used for the base. Pop riveting them together and then screwing them into the wood. We can now mark where we need to drill the holes in the 22mm pipe so that they fit nicely in the base. Two bolts with two Teflon washers on each side of the pipes will be used as the hinges. We can now add the 150mm angle pieces to the one side of the 19mm pipes, again using two bolts and two Teflon washers on each side of the pipe as hinges. Once we are done with that, we can slide the 19mm pipes into the 22mm pipes and mark where we will drill the holes for each extension length. You can choose how long you would like to extend your jib. Now add the final 80mm piece on top of the 150mm pieces that's on the front of the 19mm pipes. Lastly, we fit the quick release plate to the bottom of the wooden base so that we can attach it to a tripod. That's it for this video. The pan and salt head will be added in the next video. A full parts list will be available in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like if you think it deserves it. Otherwise, leave a comment down below of any improvements or ideas. If you like these kinds of videos, please consider subscribing. Bye.